A student who shot two administrators at East High was required to get daily pat-downs, looking for weapons. The district created a safety plan after the kid was charged with a dangerous weapon possession. It's a process that feels routine to Jessica Peck.
Safety plans are almost always required in any case where a kid is going to get out of court and not be sent to jail.
As an attorney who represents kids, she sees Colorado courts ordering young suspects, even ones accused of violence, to go to school.
The number of juvenile detention facility beds that we have available for young offenders is very, very low. So that means that almost any kid convicted of a crime, except for the very most serious crimes, is going to get out.
A different case from 2018 provides more insight on how this works. In this case, court documents show a judge found a student guilty of felony menacing and possession of a handgun. A requirement of his probation was enrollment in high school. The district created a safety plan, amended it after the same kid was involved in a car theft. The student was required to be searched every day by admin, and he couldn't have a locker. During one of those searches, a campus officer found a fully loaded handgun in his backpack.
Every child in America and in Colorado has the right to a free and appropriate public school education. This requirement or this right does not exclude kids who are accused of serious crimes.
Peck says there's nothing in state law that says a child must go to a specific school. The student who pulled the trigger at East High had been removed from another district for violating policy. Before shooting two administrators, the child had only been at East for 2 months.
I don't think we've yet perfected the way to keep kids safe while also balancing the needs of those kids who are accused.
Now, in her experience, Peck says she's seen courts treat sexual assault cases differently. She has found courts treat those offenses far more seriously than crimes of gun violence or other types of violence, guys.
This is so difficult because as a parent, I mean, you understand how privacy laws work, but also you need some level of transparency to know what your kids are up against every day.
She talked about how difficult it is for people to really understand what these cases entail because, again, these are juvenile cases. These are protected, so we really don't know much about these cases at all.
All right, Kelly, thank you.